ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಸ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಾರನ್ನ ಜನನ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗಲಾಟೆಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾನ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ದಲ್ನೆ ಆ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಬರೇ ಏರ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಓಡಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗತ್ತಾ?
Sir, I have not been listed anywhere, my lords. Only once I have
Kindly
been...
see, no?
Yes, my lords. I do agree to that.
No, kindly read, no? Why are we beating around the bush? Come to the point. Ibru ilwala. We'll release on 20th. You come prepared with the facts and figures with the relevant point.
Yeah, interim order may kindly be
none present on behalf of the R2. Released on 20th.
Interim order may kindly be extended, my lords.
Kalyan Shetru?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 7.
My lords, interim order, my lords.
All
Serial
right,
number...
interim order granted earlier stands extended till next date. Yes.
Okay. Thanks, sir.
Number 8.
ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ಶೆಟ್ರೆ, ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಹಂಗಿದೆ, ನೀವಿನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಂಗಂತಲ್ಲ, ಎಂತೆಂಥದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವಾಗ ಇಂಥದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದೇನೋ ಬರ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಏನೇನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕೋ ಈ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ, ಇಂಥದ್ದೇ.
Number 8. Naganagowda or
ಕುಪ್ಪೆಲ್ಲವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
Please, my lord. Pray for a week's time, my lord, in this matter.
ಹಾ,
Could not get the file, my lord, in a week's time.
ಬರೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳೋದೇ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ ಕುಪ್ಪೆಲ್ಲವ್ರು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, next week ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will get ready and
ಪಕ್ಕದಾಗ ಬೇರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅತ್ತಿಕಟ್ಟಿಗಿನ.
Yes, Lord, I appeal for the second respondent in this matter.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಅಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕುಪ್ಪೆಲ್ಲವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇದನ್ರಿ ಕಡದ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿ.
Please, my lord, please.
Right. Release these matters on 27/6. Angadi?
Interim order may kindly be extended.
Interim order extended. Angadi?
Please.
Interim order extend ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ.
Lord, 8.1, Lord.
20th 27th ಅದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಗುರುವಾರ 4/7.
18th.
Every Thursday these matters. 20th, 27th, 4th July. You can choose any of these days. 20th.
20ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು.
27
ಅದೇ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು 27/6 ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. 27/6 is the date I have given. Yes.
Number 9. RH.
Lord, serial number 8.1, Lord. Interim order to be, Lord.
ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸೇರ್ಸೆ ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಪ್ಪ.
Please.
ಅವೆರಡು ಸೇರ್ಸ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ದ್ ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ.
RH Angadi.
ಅಂಗಡಿ none present on behalf of the revision petitioner. Release this matter on 27/6. Mantkani?
Please, madam. In this case, the accused number 11 is dead, madam. In my case, petition number 1, that is A. Patan, he is dead. And in so far as Dawal Sab is concerned, madam, I have written letter to produce the
All right, at request of both, release this matter on 27/6. Hiremat?
Number 11.
interim order to be extended.
Interim order extended. MB Hiremat?
Your lordship, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ serial number 10.1 may be
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿ.
I object to it, my lords.
Please, your lordship, in serial number 11, I appear for petitioner, your lordship. Your lordship, my senior is unwell, your lordship, because I pray for ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, your lordship. Please, your lordship, ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, your lordship.
All right. It is submitted that counsel for petitioner is not well. Released on 27/6. Interim order.
Interim order earlier granted may kindly be extended.
Praveen Kumar Kulkarni?
Number 12. Praveen Kumar.
Interim order earlier granted may kindly be extended.
ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ?
I am compliant.
None present on behalf of the petitioner. Release this. ಆಯ್ತು, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
Please.
27/6. Interim order if any stands extended. Polly?
My lord, kindly on 27th, my lord. Senior present physically and argue the matter, my lord.
ಗುಂಡೆ 27 ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
Please, my lord, please.
27 interim order already granted extended. ದಯಣ್ಣ ಅವರ್?
Interim order.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂನು.
My lord,
ದಯಣ್ಣ ಅವರ್?
my lord, I have bad item want to stay the proceedings.
I appear for respond number 2, my lord. I have filed my objections.
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ದಯಣ್ಣ ಅವರ್.
My lord, the private complaint came to file against this petitioner, and the police have submitted the charge sheet against accused number 2 and this petitioner is concerned. Accused number 2 have filed a cash proceeding related to the position.
Accused number 2?
Accused number 2 filed a 482 proceedings.
ನೀವ್ ಯಾರು?
Allowed. I am accused number 1 in this case is concerned.
ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರೋ ಹಾಕಿದಾರೋ?
ಎರಡು both accused number 2 ಮತ್ತು 1 ಮೇಲೆ charge sheet ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. Accused number 2 filed a it came to be allowed. I have submitted the
All right, what is the offense?
my lord 465, 471 and 408. So I have filed I number 1 to stay the further proceedings in it against the
ನಿಮ್ಮೇಲೂ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
allegation against accused number 2 also, my lord.
No, ನಿಮ್ಮೇಲೂ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Read column number 17.
correct sir, but here accused number 2 filed a proceedings for 482 CRPC. It came to be allowed. He is also facing the same.
Where is the order, sir? Accused number 2 ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. Where is that order?
I have furnished the
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕಾನೂನಿಲ್ಲ.
I have produced the
No, Mr. Dayanawar.
my
If the
lord.
case is quashed against the accused number 2, there is no hard and fast rule that I should quash the case against the accused number 1 when serious allegations like 420, 468, 470 are all alleged.
My lord of proceeding, I have
ಇದ್ದು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಯಾರು? What is the benefit that he has got by the document which has been interpolated?
but the police submitted charge sheet against accused number 1 and 2 that it is not fraud. Accused number 2 against accused number 2 is not fraud, against accused number 1 is not fraud.
ಓದಿ,
Who created the document?
ಓದಿ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಓದಿ.
My lord, it was said for the
No, where have you produced? You read that order, no?
my lord. And I have furnished the order copy along with memo. And this it is absence of any independent material collected by the investigating agency.
No, sir, no such memo, no such order is here. Except the statement of objection filed by the second respondent, nothing is here.
I
So
will
the end our
find
sixth
out.
time to produce the copy of the order in respect of past set have been passed by this court by the coordinate bench of this court in respect of accused number 2. Release this matter on 27/6.
Please, I have furnished the copy.
Till number 15,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, I will furnish my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ?
Abhinandan,
ಗುಂಡ್ವಾಡೆ? None present. Released on
Please, your lordship, I
27/6.
appear on behalf of Gundwadi, sir, your lordship. He is held up in quotal number 7, your lordship.
All right, 27/6. Guru
Please,
Gachin
entry
Mat.
order may continue.
number 16,
Entry ಮಾಡಕ್ಷಣ. ಗುರು ಗಚ್ಚಿನ್ ಮಠ್ ಹೇಳಿಮ್ಮ.
For short accommodation.
ಅದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? ನೀವ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದುಂಟಾ?
Has got some inconvenience.
ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಬಂದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂತ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Short accommodation.
ಶಾರ್ಟೇ 27/6 on behalf of Gurudev Gachin Mat time period. Released on 27/6 finally.
17, SB.
ಹೆಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿ?
My lord, this is seeking quashing of the proceedings.
Yes, so who has to file objections? Who has to file objections?
Time ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರು last time objections
ಅವ್ರು
ಹಾಕ್ತೇವೆ.
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರಂತಲ್ಲ, ದಿನಕ್ಕೊಬ್ರು HCGP ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
ಅವ್ರು ಖಾಲಿ ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವಂತ ಗಿರಿಜಾರ ಮಟ್ಟ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
All right, 20th finally, HCGP
27/6
time to file objection, 20th finally.
27 ಕೊಡಿ.
All right, 27/6 interim order if any stands extended.
Till number